Hi all, it's Mina again. So this is day one after my big chop, but that's not even why I'm here. I'm here to show you what's going on with my skin this morning. So yesterday I mentioned that I had the Dermapen treatment, which is microneedling for acne scars on my face. This is a treatment I've had before. Did not remember how painful it was. But yeah, my face still feels a bit sore and a bit taut. Now, I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is me just waking up, and I deliberately haven't washed my face so I can show you this. This white stuff is some hyaluronic acid, which the beautician applied to the skin just to help keep the skin moisturized and also to help with new skin regeneration and boost collagen production. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash my face with the products. I will show you what products I've used on my face. And then I'll go about my day. Okay, so my face is nice and clean. When I've moisturized it, I realized I should have probably moisturized it on camera, but I'll show you the process anyway. First thing I did was get lukewarm water, dab that all over my face. My face is still sore as expected. It's only been about 12 hours since I had this procedure done, so it's gonna be a bit sore. The next thing I would then do is use my Back to Basics body scrub from Actilabs. Now, I didn't use this morning because my face is sore. Plus, I already had a procedure that's taken off a layer of my skin already last night. So just to let my skin recover and not aggravate it any further, I didn't use face scrub. Now this, although it says body scrub on here, it's good for all skin types and it can be used on the face and on the body. Great. Then the next thing I would do is use my next cleanser, which is black soap. You heard that right? Black soap. I love this black soap, and this black soap is actually the neem oil black soap from Nokwari. Now I get this actually from hammerly.com. I'll put the website on the link to the product on there. I love this black soap just because it's good for acne prone skin. I stumbled across this from one of my fellow YouTubers who one of the YouTubers I follow, and she said it works wonders. I've been using it and it's great. It doesn't strip my skin, it doesn't leave it dry. It's still, although it removes all the dirt, it doesn't leave my skin dry, which is awesome. And I sort of did this, so I actually use it, and I use this on my face and body at the moment. So once that's cleansed, I then go with using a toner. Now this is a glycolic acid toner. Again, this is because I've been trying to get rid of acne spots. Now my acne spots may not be that obvious, but you know, there are people who have worse acne than me, or who have worse acne scars than I do. The people who have fewer or less visible acne scars than I do. Doesn't negate how it affects you, whether it's more or less. It's again what suits you and what you want to achieve with your skin. So at the moment I use Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic, the glycolic acid version, and it's really nice. Now this is almost finished. I need to pop to the shops to get some more. I like this on my skin. It gently exfoliates and it also brightens the skin. Now, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a discrepancy in the color there, and I'm trying. This is my real color. This is the color of the rest of my body, but my face is obviously a bit darker because I've been exposed to sun. So I use this with a soft cotton cloth. Now this you can get from any of your local beauty stores. I prefer using the oval ones because they're a lot bigger, and I can only need to use the one, then put it on the middle and rub that all over my face. Now I've learned recently, this is as a result of derma roller or a lot of skincare, that you wipe in an upward version just to sort of keep your skin going up. Next I use acne.org benzoyl peroxide. Again, I'll put all the links where I got these. I use a very tiny drop. Acne it's meant to be good. The main active ingredient is benzoyl peroxide, which is good for, you know, acne prone skin, and it helps close the pores. So when you moisturize and when you wash your face with warm water, the pores are open. So to prevent them, to close them up and keep them from staying open, I use that, and it works very nicely. It mattifies my skin, so it leaves it dry. If the skin feels dry, although it's not dry, it's still, I can feel the moisture underneath, even though to touch it's quite mattified. Next thing I use is this Yves Rocher Sebo Vegetal, Sebo Pure Vegetal. It's the alternate because the label's different ways. It's the 4-in-1 anti-blemish cream, and I like using this. For a long time I haven't used any creams on my face. I've only been using oils, so I'll use coconut oil on my face and that's it. But I thought I'll give this a try and see, because it says it's moisturizing anti-blemish care, and I only use a tiny bit. I dot it in 4 dots on my face and moisturize it section by section, and then put a little bit on the nose. But I don't use much. Again, my skin isn't shiny. It feels mattified, and it doesn't feel dry. Last but not least, my lips. And I am using, again, the Nakwari How About Now lip balm. It's a shea butter lip balm, and this particular one is called Wild Berries, and it feels so good on the lips, and I use it all the time. My lips are always over moisturized because for some reason they just seem to dry out quite quickly. So I have 4. There are 4 different flavors, and I got a pack of 4. Unfortunately, I've sort of split them up, and the packet is gone. But again, I'll put the link to where I got it from. 4 different flavors, 4 different locations. Got 1 by my bedside, 1 for when I get ready in the morning, 1 in my handbag, and the last one is sort of on standby. And that's about it. So this is my face post Dermapen. I just realized I probably didn't tell you what this whole Dermapen thing is all about. I wish I'd done that in the beginning, but I'll tell you now anyway. I didn't want to go too much into skincare, but the essence, using the Dermapen or microneedling, it's a form of collagen induction therapy, where a pen with little needles, depending on the kind of pen your beautician or your doctor is using, the skin is cleansed and numbed for a bit with an anesthetic or numbing cream. I must say, my pain threshold is quite low. So even with that cream, I was in a bit of pain, but it wasn't unbearable. The essence is to use those needles to injure the skin. They're tiny needles just to injure the skin, and by so doing, it stimulates the body or your skin to produce new collagen-rich tissue. And the essence is to get the skin, to help with even skin tone, also help with acne scars, and some people say these for some wrinkles as well. Now it's very minimally invasive. I mean, it's like a pinprick, to be honest. But having a pinprick on every little aspect of your face at the same time, it's a lot. When I was done, my face was throbbing, but there was a nice cooling mask that went on for about 10 minutes, which was great. So that's it at the moment with the Dermapen. And that's what my face looks like. I probably shouldn't touch my face, but my hands, I'm still trying to train myself. So that's the area where, I tend to usually break out. So keep an eye on this area. Apparently we should see results in a couple of weeks. So from 2 weeks. So the plan is to have it once a month for 3 months. And then once I've done that, in between that, and once the treatment is complete, I will then use other home care remedies to keep my skin, looking fresh. That's it. Thank you very much.